you going? Um, I've been sitting on these promotional Pizza Hut barbecue meat lovers Smiths for a few days, and I don't know why I've been putting it off. I just need to eat these fucking chips and see what they're like. Um, I hope they're better than the garlic bread ones because they were really shit, just really god awful. Like I just don't understand how you get something so simple so wrong. So hopefully these are okay because meat lovers is my favorite flavor of pizza. Yeah. Yeah. Um, I'd say that's significantly better than the garlic bread. Uh, you definitely get like the barbecue sauce in there, um, but it doesn't overpower it. But it's a nice sweetness, and I think it's faithful to just like trashy Pizza Hut pizza. Um, it's not like changing my life or anything, um, it's solid. It's an enjoyable um, flavor of Smiths. I'd probably say it just edges into 4 stars. Yeah, I might almost eat these over like chicken flavor or something. I haven't actually eaten Smiths in forever, but um, yeah, no, pleasantly surprised, and I'm glad that all of their Pizza Hut flavors aren't trash. So take it easy.